Good morning, students. Today we are solving some problems on work energy power. Okay. So first one, a machine gun fires 360 bullets per minute, and each bullet travels with a velocity of 600 meter per second. If the mass of each bullet is 5 gram, find the power of machine gun. Find the power of machine gun. Once again I read. A machine gun fires 360 bullets. How many number of bullets? N is equal to 360. Per minute, T is equal to time 1 minute. 1 minute nothing but 60 seconds. 60 seconds. And each bullet travels with a velocity of 600 meter per second. So the velocity of bullet V is equal to 600 meter per second. And if the mass of each bullet is 5 grams, so it grams is converted into kilograms, dividing with 1000. 5 into 10 power minus 3 kg. And find out the power of machine gun P. So we know that power is equal to work by time. Here the work is stored as a kinetic energy. The work is done due to the velocity. The work is stored as a kinetic energy. So W is equal to half mv square by T. Half mv square by T. The number of bullets N into half mv square by T. Substitute the values. P is equal to N 360 into half into M value, mass 5 into 10 power minus 3, and V velocity of bullet 600 whole square divided by T time 60 seconds. So 61 ja 66 ja 36. Okay, and 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6. So P is equal to 3 into 5 into 10 power minus 3, 10 power minus 3 into 600 whole square, 36,000. 6 square means 36. Okay, 36,000. So that is equal to P is equal to 3 into 5 15 into 10 power minus 3 into 36 into 10 power 4. Okay, so 36 into 10 power 36,000 may be written as 36 into 10 power 4. Here P is equal to 15 into 36. Okay, the bases are equal. Adding the exponential, minus 3 plus 4. So into 10 power plus 1. P is equal to 15 into 36, 540 into 10, the 5400 watts. 5400 watts are 5.4 kilowatts. The power of machine gun 5.4 kilowatts. So dear students, this problem asked last year, one of the most important one, 19. Okay, and next one. A pump is required to lift 600 kg of water per minute from well 25 meter deep and to eject it with a speed of 50 meter per second. Calculate the power required to perform the above task. Okay, calculate the power. Once again I read. A pump is required to lift. A pump lift how much of water? 600 kg of water. So here M is equal to 600 kg of water per minute. T is equal to 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay. And 25 meter deep. How much deep? H is equal to 25 meter deep. And to eject with the speed V is equal to 50 meter per second. Calculate the power. Okay, P value find out. So we know that the G value we are taking. G is equal to 10 meter per second square. Find out the power. Okay, So power, we know that power is equal to W by T. Here the work is stored as, so the water lift from 25-meter depth. Okay, due to this the work is stored as the potential energy mgh plus, so after the water is pumping 50 meter per second velocity, so due to this the work is also stored as the kinetic energy. The total work done mgh plus half mv square by 3. Okay, so P is equal to, here taking common, m is taking common, gh plus v square by t. Okay, now substitute the values. P is equal to, what is the value of m? 600 kg. How much of water? 600 kg. G value how much? 10. What is the value of h? 25 plus half into v square, the velocity. So 50 whole square divided by t, time 60 seconds. Okay, 61 ja 6, 10 ja 60 into 10, 600. So P is equal to 10 into, here 10 into 25, 250 plus, so half into 50 whole square, 2500. So 2 1 ja, so 2500 by 2, 1250, right? So P is equal to 10 into 250 plus 1250, right? So P is equal to 10 into 250 plus 1250, how much? 1500. So that should be equal to 1500 into 10, 15,000. Okay, 15,000 watts or 1.5 kilowatts. The power P is equal to 1.5 kilowatts. This is also one of the important ones, students.